What's up guys, I'm Sean. This time at Sonoma Raceway. It's been over a year since I've been here. I made a lot of changes since then. Custom 3-clutch LSD, full aero kit, manual swap, intake, pulleys, etc, etc. But more importantly is I got a lot more seat time. So the last time I was here it rained. Today's a nice day. It should be about 70 degrees and sunny. So I should be able to run under 2 minutes. But let's see by how much. Will representing in his Miata. What's up?
What's up?
Calvin representing in his 350Z. Of course, me. Let's see how this setup works today at the track. Session 1. Guys, just finished session 1 without much effort. I ran a 156, so let's see how the rest of the day goes. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Just finished all 5 sessions at Sonoma Raceway. It was a good day, no issues with the car, no issues on track. I ran a new personal best lap time of 154.5. So it's a new personal best. But this is the interesting part. My virtual best is a 151.48. So I know that the car can go faster and I can go faster. I just need to get more comfortable and get more seat time. But overall, it was a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching.